Good evening to all of you. Today we add one more subject in our learning. The subject is History of India. We read this subject by making division in the period of the history. This division not mentioned anywhere, but to make understand easy, we divide in periods and then start our learning. The first period was prehistoric period. Second period was proto-historic period. Third is historic period. The prehistoric period we further divide in three periods: Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age and Neolithic age. Paleolithic age start with 5 lakh BC to 10,000 BC. Mesolithic age start with 9,000 BC to 4,000 BC. And Neolithic age will start 7,000 BC to 1,000 BC. And the proto-history period we divide in two parts. Indus Valley civilization, the first civilization of the earth, start with 2500 BC to 1900 BC. And then Vedic civilization start with 1500 BC to 500 BC. Then we further divide Vedic civilization in two parts: early Rig Vedic period 1500 BC to 1000 BC, and later Rig Vedic period 1000 BC to 500 BC. Then we move towards the historic period of India. We divide this period in three parts: ancient history, medieval history and modern history. Ancient history starts from 600 BC to 750 AD. Medieval period starts with 750 AD and goes toward 1707 AD. And modern history starts with 1707 to the modern time of India. Then we divide ancient history into different parts. Mahajanpat period start in 6th century BC, Magad period 600 BC to 300 BC, the Mauryan Empire 324 BC to 187 BC, the Gupta Empire 300 AD to 600 AD, and Harshvardhan period 606 AD to 647 AD. And then we move toward the medieval history. This starts with 750 AD and go to 1707 AD. This we divide in two parts: early medieval history and later medieval history. Early medieval history start with 8th century AD and to 12th century AD. In this period, we read about the Pala dynasty, Pratihara dynasty, Rashtrakoot, Chol, and attack of Ghaznavis, Rajputs rise, and Turk. In second period, later medieval history, start with 12th century AD to 18th century AD. We read in this history the North India. In North India, we read about the Delhi Sultanate, Sur dynasty, Mughal dynasty, rise of Marathas, and then Deccan and South. In Deccan, we again read rise of Maratha, Vijayanagar Empire and the Bahmanid Empire. Then we move toward the modern history. that start from 1707. In modern history, first we read about the advent of Europeans. The five European power attacked to India. First was Portuguese, came in 1498 AD, then Dutch 1602 AD, then Britishers came to India 1608, then Danes, they came to India in 1616 AD. At last the French in 1664, and the disintegration of Mughal Empire which started in 18th century AD. Due to the disintegration of Mughal Empire, the regional power came into existence and they established their independent rule. Then we move toward the British victory over India. In British victory, we read Carnatic Wars between 1744 to 1763 AD, Battle of Plassey 1757 AD, and Battle of Buxar 1764 AD. The Battle of Buxar played a very important role in the history of India. Due to this battle, East India Company got a Diwali rights and the rule of Britishers start in India. Then we read the Mysore 1799 AD and the acquisition of Punjab in 1849. In this way, we start the part of history